Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw the new Lego Nike Dunkman character. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with the Nike Dunks Lego character, let's begin by drawing the head. Now it's going to be a basketball head, so we want to make a circle. Now you can either draw a circle or you can trace something. I've got this nice little circle template right here, so I'm going to use this to trace my head. So we just want to start off by making a nice circle shape that will serve as the head for our character. Now, first thing is he's wearing some cool sunglasses. So let's begin by making a line that's going to curve up and down. Then we're going to go down on each end. And we're going to bring them in on each side. Then we're going to go up, over, and down. Next, I'm going to make a little line that goes right across the top. Then I'm going to make a diagonal line here. I'm going to make 1 and 2 here. And then another one here. And then we'll put 2 here for like some reflection. Next, for the mouth, we're just going to make a little smile. Now, we're going to make a couple lines on the basketball. So we're going to make a line that's just going to go up and down above the glasses. We're going to make one that's going to go right across here. And then we're going to make another one that's just going to go down and up here. Now, starting here, let's make a straight line right underneath the head. And then we're just going to kind of go down at an angle on each side. Then we're going to make a little line that comes across here to connect it. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to come over and then up for one of the legs. And we'll do that same thing here. Just kind of go down, over, and up. We'll make a line across and a line across. Then we're going to make a line that goes over, make a bump, and then connect. And do the same thing here. Over, bump, and then connect. Now for the arms, I'm going to start here. We're just going to curve out and come down and in. Same thing here. We're just going to curve out. We're going to go down and in. I'll make a little line down on each side. We'll curve this down and then come up and down and then bring this back up here. Same thing, curve this down. We're going to go up and down and then bring it back up here. Now right here for the jersey, we're going to make a curve here. And then we're going to make a curve here and a little curve right there. Then right over here, we're going to make a little rectangle shape. And then we're going to put the little Nike logo. So we're just going to make a little swoop there and then another swoop right there. Then right across here, we're just going to write the word Legos. So we're just going to make an L. We're going to make an E. We're going to do the G. And then we're just going to make the O. And you can even write it just in regular letters. You don't have to do the block letters. Now, on the shorts, I'm going to make a couple little lines for some details. And then we're going to do some lines on the shoes. We'll do some lines across here. Then we're going to do a little wavy line on here. Then we're going to make a little kind of design shape right across the front. And then we'll just make a little Nike logo on the front. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Nike Dunk Lego figure. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.